Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly see how to send files from your phone, either Android or iOS, onto your TV, Android TV. So let's quickly see that. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So the first thing I do is I download LocalSend. So just need to go to App Store or Play Store on your Android phone and search for LocalSend and click on LocalSend. So you can click on get, so it will be installed on your phone. And same thing you need to do on your TV as well. Go to Play Store and you can search for LocalSend. There are other apps as well like send files to TV, but I prefer LocalSend over other apps. So you can search for LocalSend. So once you search for LocalSend, it will come up and there will be install option. You can install that and you can open it something like this. By default it will set a name for this. Mine is BlackBerry. And same thing, once it's installed on your phone, just open it and give all the permission. The name they have given for this is Solid Peach, and you should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so be sure about that. And then select the file that you want to send. Let's say I want to send one. So let's say I want to send one APK. I have downloaded TV usage app from Google. So I'll just send this from my iOS. Click on open. So once you give a refresh, you'll be able to see the TV, LocalSend showing up here. Click on that. So when you click on that, you should see this coming up. Just give the permission and accept this one. So it will quickly send the file, something like this, and you can click on done, and you can see that file in the history as well. If you come completely right side here, you can see history. Click on that, and this is the file which I have sent. So if I click on this, you can install this app. It's called TV usage, and it will successfully be installed on your Android TV. And this way you can send not just APK on the apps, you can send other files as well, like movies or any MP3 or anything you want. You can send it to your TV from your iOS or Android device. So yeah, that is how you quickly send your files from your phone to your TV. It can be iOS or Android. It's that simple. So yeah, hope you liked it. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you.